Up guys, it's your boy Toxic. It's been a while I dropped a video, and it's because I've had a lot lately. As you all know, it's almost coming to an end 2025, so I need to prepare for a new year. I've been locked in, so I just said I should drop some tips on what I'm expecting on EU and gold, because I just make a new trading plan, and the whole of 2026 I'm gonna be trading just EU and gold. So on EU, as you can see, the first thing I came is I need to first of all start by identifying the trend of the market. And as you all can see on EU, I've been in an uptrend. The market has been giving us that bullish momentum, and we have had quite some consolidation here. As you can see, I've been having a back-to-back break of structures to the upside and stuff like that. Well, as a CRT trader, I don't actually trade based on order blocks, breaker blocks, and stuff like that. So I trade based on candles. I'm a candle trader. So all what I'll be looking at is I'm definitely gonna be looking at what is happening on this area of the market. So from here, I'll be marking out what happened the previous week. As you all can see, this is what happened the previous week, and we had this low here. So I had it like my CRT low, and I'm having this like a CRT high. And in this level where I am marking, I would like to see on what the market is going to do. So um, as you can see, this week has opened, we're having some bullish momentum today, that is Monday. Going to the daily time frame. Yeah, so this is the daily time frame. As you all can see, I can see the market trying to push to the upside, of which according to my analysis I will be expecting the market to sell all the way down here. But nevertheless, I want to see this candlestick closing above this area. So if I see a close above, then definitely I'm gonna be looking for some buy opportunities. But if I see a rejection and it closed below, so I'm gonna be looking for sell opportunities. So I'm waiting to see what today is going to how today is going to close. And of course, all of this area here, we had liquidity slipping, because as you can see, the market has been printing. And if you go to the lower time frame, you're going to understand that all of this has been a consolidation in the lower time frame. The market has been consolidating. So what I'm expected to see right now is I'll be looking at this last week. This was the CRT low of last week. On the daily time frame, you had the CRT high, CRT low, and you know I always say when you are trading the CRT, always collect 50% of your partial. So if you could take 50%, yeah, you could have taken partials and swing trade and stuff like that. So what I'm expecting to see on the lower time frame is I'm expecting to see what the market is going to do. So going now down to, let me say, the 4 hours. On the 4 hours time frame, as you all can see, yeah, as you all can see, on the 4 hours we are having some rejections. So we are having some rejections playing on this key level. So as you can see, these are the consolidation I was talking about on the daily time frame. So the whole of last week the market was consolidating, and here you can see the people who trade other blocks and stuff like that. You can see this is another block that the market is being rejecting inside. So the market is rejecting this other block. So what I'm looking at is I'll be looking at sell opportunities depending on how these candles are going to close. So if this candle close below like this, then definitely we're going to be taking a sell for this trade. And that is what I'm looking on EU, and that's my view on EU. So let's go to gold. As you can see, heading straight to gold. Okay, so on gold, as you can see, we have had gold consolidating in this area. Gold has been consolidating in this area back to back. So I'm gonna start gold on the weekly time frame as well, doing my top down analysis. And as you all know, with gold we have been in an uptrend. Gold has been giving us those buys opportunities. We have been in an uptrend on gold. You can see the market breaking highs. And coming to the daily time frame, on gold, you can see here we had some consolidations. We had the market consolidating around this area, and this was a trap because so many people will look at this area like a turtle soup, CRT turtle soup, so they could be expecting gold to sell. But you see, the whole of last week consolidated, and this week gold has given us a new high, pushing up to the upside. And also, if you come to the 4 hours time frame, on our 4 hours time frame, you are going to understand that gold has been in a bullish momentum. So you see, gold was just accumulating, and every time you see an accumulation, the next thing you should be expecting is what? An expansion. So on gold, after seeing such expansion on gold, I'll just be looking at my major key levels that I'll be looking at taking entry. So on gold, I'm looking at buys opportunities on gold, and on EU, I'm looking at sell opportunities depending on how the candles are going to close.